In this video, I'm going to show you the top 20 websites to make money online in 2023. 1. Fiverr. Know something about a particular skill? You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash as an online freelancer. 2. Upwork. Upwork is a meeting site where businesses and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. 3. Etsy. If you're an artistic person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets, Etsy is the place to sell your products. 4. TaskRabbit. Are you willing to get your hands dirty? People come to this site to find those willing to do various tasks, such as putting together a bookcase, cleaning out a garage, or running an errand. 5. Merch by Amazon. Simply upload your designs to Merch by Amazon and get paid. Graphic designers can upload t-shirt designs, and you're paid a royalty for every one of your designs that sell. 6. Neighbor. Do you have storage space in your house? You could rent out these spaces on neighbor.com. 7. OFFERUP. OFFERUP allows you to take a picture of what you have, price it, and when someone nearby sees it online, you can meet and they'll pay you cash for it. 8. FATLLAMA. Do you have a lot of nice stuff that you think people in your neighborhood would want to rent out? You could rent it out on FATLLAMA's website for money. Everything is insured, up to $30,000. 9. Wonder. On Wonder, you can earn money for conducting research. After the application process, you can showcase your skills and get paid for answering questions. 10. User interviews. They specialize in matching you up with high-paying market research studies. Many of the studies are aimed at tech and industry professionals, but there are some general population studies as well. 11. ThredUp. This e-commerce company appeals to thrifty types looking to make money and sell their clutter for cash. The online thrift store sells women's and children's clothes. 12. Swap. Like ThredUp, Swap is an online consignment store. After you send in used clothes, toys, and games, Swap will sell them for you. 13. GAZELLE. If you have an old cell phone or another device like an iPad or MacBook, you can sell them here. The website will give you a cash offer for your device. 14. CARDSELL. This is a popular site for selling gift cards. If you have unused gift cards, CARDSELL will make you an offer, and you can exchange them for cash or another gift card. 15. Quick Rewards. This is a free website that allows you to earn money online in various ways, including completing surveys, visiting websites, completing offers, and watching videos. 16. Survey Junkie. If you're ready to earn extra money on the side, Survey Junkie can help you find legit online surveys to fill out and earn rewards or cash. 17. Free Crypto Rewards. Free Crypto Rewards is a free rewards app that lets you earn rewards just for playing. You can earn gift cards, crypto, and more by answering surveys, completing offers, and playing games. 18. Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand service that integrates with your online shop to produce printed products for your customers. 19. Mepick. Mepick is a phenomenal platform that allows artists, photographers, hobbyists, and art lovers to print, buy, and sell pictures as custom-made art and design products. 20. CLICKBANK. With its affiliate program, affiliates can promote vendor products from ClickBank's marketplace by generating a hop link and earn up to 75% in commissions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more wealth-building content.